Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. 4-tier stackable water bottle organizer for cabinet, premium clear holder for tumbler, travel bottle, wine rack display, home kitchen pantry refrigerator organization and storage, hold 12 bottles. Large compartment fits large bottles or tumblers. Unlike most water bottle storage products, we gathered customer complaints that what they have bought doesn't fit common large-size water bottles. We improved it so that each compartment grid measures 4-inch wide and 4 high, perfectly fitting some large water cups or bottles. The water bottle organizer rack are easily stackable and can be freely split and combined. You can assemble any tiers you want to maximize the space, such as 1 tier, 2 tiers, 3 tiers, 4 tiers, 5 tiers, 6 tiers, and more. Modern, stylish and chic design complements any interior. Fits most household water bottles or tumblers, like glass or plastic water bottles, sport bottles, insulated travel mugs or tumblers, baby bottles, kids' sippy cups and many more. High-quality clear material and solid construction. Each shelf is made of thick clear plastic. Each tier is tightly connected by 4 sturdy solid posts. Thanks for watching and subscribe.